A Striebig Compact is the ideal machine whenever a modern, space-saving panel saw is required. The saw frame is self-supporting and braced with multiple struts for maximum stability. Precision guide rails both for the saw unit and for the beam guarantee absolute parallelism, accurate to 1/100th of a millimeter. The roller supports with workpiece locking are also aligned to an accuracy of 1/100th of a millimeter. Integrated inch and metric tape measures are also standard, as is a telescoping extendable operating lever for large panel dimensions, and an additional dust extraction wall on the right that collects